Hello guys, in this video we will see why error code out in Among Us, and how to fix it. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started.
Step 0. Understand error code. How content error code the held in Among Us typically indicates a problem with connecting to the game servers. This is not usually a bug within the game application itself, but rather a network or server-side issue preventing your game client from establishing or maintaining a stable connection. That can occur when attempting to join a lobby while already in a game, or even when launching the game. Common underlying causes include server overload and unstable internet connection on the user's end, or interference from network security settings. Identifying it as a connection issue is the first step towards troubleshooting.
Step: check Among Us server status. Content before attempting any client-side fixes. The most crucial first step is to ascertain if the Among Us game servers are experiencing outages or high load, if the servers are down or under maintenance. No amount of troubleshooting on your part will resolve the error. You can check the official Among Us Twitter account, Among Us Game, or Inner Slothens, their official Discord server, or reliable third-party server status websites like Down Detector. If a widespread server issue is confirmed, the only solution is to wait for the developers to resolve it and try again later. Step: optimize your network connection. Content a primary cause for error code. How does an unstable or weak internet connection to address this? First, try restarting your home router and modem to refresh your network. If you are playing on a consider switching from Wi-Fi to a wired Ethernet connection for a more stable and faster link for all devices. Ensure you are close enough to your Wi-Fi router for optimal signal strength, and temporarily disconnect other devices that might be hogging bandwidth. You can also perform an internet speed test to confirm your connection is performing as expected. If possible, try connecting to Among Us using an alternative network, such as a mobile data hotspot, to determine if the issue is specific to your primary internet service. Step: troubleshoot game client and device content. If your network appears stable and the servers are online, the issue might stem from your game client or device. Begin by simply restarting the Among Us application completely, and then restart your device, smartphone, tablet, or Nintendo Switch for users playing by Steam. Verify the integrity of the game files by right-clicking Among Us in your Steam library, going to Properties, then Local Files, and selecting Verify Integrity of Game Files. Ensure your Among Us game is updated to the latest version, as outdated clients can sometimes struggle with server connections. Additionally, temporarily disable any services or firewall software, as these can occasionally interfere with the game's ability to connect to external servers. Steps: seek further support and community help. Content. If error code persists after following all the previous steps, it may indicate a more specific or unusual problem. At this point, it's advisable to reach out for additional support. You can report the issue to Inner Sloth's official support channels, providing detailed information about the error, the platform you're playing on, and all the troubleshooting steps you've already attempted. Additionally, explore official Among Us forums or community Discord servers. Other players might have encountered similar rare issues and found unique solutions, or developers might be able to offer more targeted advice for persistent connection problems.